Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Walkways in your backyard or those approaching the front of your home are both visual and functional in purpose. They help direct individual along the path you have selected, keep them far from other areas and develop appealing options to enhance the curb appeal and overall appearance of your house. Whether you are planning to upgrade your existing walkway or perhaps create a complete brand new walkway in your property, these amazing backyard walkway ideas will be sure to give direction and inspiration. A walkway is much more than simply an area to stroll from the sideway to a house or building. It will make up an immensely important component of the scenic landscape inside your front or backyard. Just like the driveway, nobody is able to stay away from getting a walkway installed. Since it is essential, you might as well make it look as appealing as possible. A walkway should be both aesthetic and functional in design. It must be eye-catching and one of the primary features that individuals notice whenever they look in your yard. A plain straight walkway is similar to a neutral colored home with no bold color or maybe fascinating designs. When designing a new pathway, your walkway ideas should flow with your home overall design scheme. A walkway to your front door must be welcoming and easy for your guests to navigate. The options abound whether you are deciding on front walkway ideas or need to design the perfect garden path. You can build many walkway ideas in a day or two without costing a fortune. Certain types of paths, such as stone paver walkway, are easy for even beginning DIYers. If you have a concrete walkway in mind, you may still be able to do much of the work yourself, even if you haven't worked with concrete before. Your choice of outdoor walkway design is yet another place to honor your signature style. A beautiful front path can significantly increase your home's curb appeal. When it's time to sell your small investment of time and money, you could reap big rewards. Along with being appealing, the walkway has to be completely effective. For starters, it ought to offer simple access to the front door. No one loves a path that travels the longest distance out of the sidewalk on the door. Build one that offers the easiest and shortest course to the entrance. Some homes are made on slopes, therefore it is harder to build stable walkway. Let be simple for everybody to stroll on your path, particularly somebody who is disabled or elderly. Add stairs and steps to avoid individuals from slipping on the walkway. Once it rains, a sloped walkway gets to be more slippery, making it much easier for individuals to tumble down. If an accident happens on your property, any individual is able to sue you for liability damages. It seems like an inconvenience to set up steps, but it is more so to contend with lawsuits and accidents. Make your walkway secure and effective for everybody who uses it. Next, there's the type of material to set up. Concrete pathways are discovered in many suburban homes and industrial buildings. It is popular since it is less complicated to get and constructed workers think it is less difficult to work with. Concrete isn't the sole material offered. Additionally, there are paths made of wood, plastic, stone, metallic, or even vinyl. Any material which can be used on roof can be used on